$5. That's it. That's the price of one coffee. And I'm about to show you how that same $5 invested every single day can turn into almost $1 million. Stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to look at your coffee run completely differently. What's up, everyone? Today we are doing something a little different. We're going to fast forward through your entire financial life based on one tiny decision, investing just $5 a day. No trust fund, no six-figure salary, just $5, consistency and time. Let's watch your future unfold year by year. Day 1, you put in $5. It feels like nothing. A year later, you've put in about $1,825, and thanks to the market's historical average return of around 10% a year, you're already sitting on roughly $1,900. Not life-changing yet, but you didn't even notice the money leaving your account. That's the whole point. Fast forward 5 years. You've contributed about $9,100 of your own money, but your account, it's worth close to $11,800. That extra $2,700 didn't come from your paycheck. It came from your money working while you slept. This is officially bigger than most people's emergency fund. 10 years in, you've put in about $18,000 total. Your balance? Over $31,000. That's a car, a wedding, a down payment on a home, funded almost entirely by $5 a day and time. And here's the part that should blow your mind. You're just getting started. 20 years of $5 days. You've personally contributed $36,500, but your account has ballooned to around $115,000. Look at that gap. Your contributions basically stopped mattering as much as your patience. This is compound growth doing the heavy lifting. By year 30, that habit is worth roughly $344,000. And if you kept going for 40 years, the length of an entire career, $5 a day turns into nearly $962,000, almost $1 million from a coffee-sized habit. Now, quick reality check. These numbers assume a 10% average annual return, which is close to the long-term historical average of the US stock market. But markets go up and down, returns aren't guaranteed, and this isn't personal financial advice. Your actual results will vary. But the principle stands. Starting small and starting now matters more than starting big and starting late. Here's the real lesson. It was never about the $5. It's about the decision to start. The person who invests $5 a day starting today will very likely out-earn the person who waits 5 years to invest $20 a day. Time is the one ingredient you can't buy back. So here's your challenge. Comment "I'm starting today" if you're ready to begin your own $5 journey. Hit subscribe if you want more videos that break down real money moves like this one. And if you want to see what happens at $10 or $20 a day, let me know in the comments. That might be the next video. I'll see you in the next one.